pumunta naman tayo sa magpapakilig sa buong mundo. Inaabangan hindi lang ng mga teenagers, kundi lahat ng ages. Kaya eto na po, let's all welcome the cast of Underage. Please welcome Rafael, AJ, Matt, Lauren, Empress, and Melissa!
For you, come on into my store. I got candy galore. Don't pretend you're not hungry. I've seen it before. I got turkeys to life, baby, and so much more. Get up out of your seat. Come on up to the dance floor. I got something so sweet. Come on up to the front door. I need Daddy and Keith. Wanna switch the fashion? Just stop moving your feet. Move on over to me. I'll be the one stop, candy shop, everything, let it go, one stop, candy store, lollipop, absolute get stupid, don't stop, 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 don't stop me, never need to catch my breath. I can go on and on. When the lights go down and there's no one left, I can go on and on. Give it to me, yeah. No one's gonna show me how. Give it to me, yeah. No one's gonna stop me now. You're only here to win, get what they say. You're only here to win, get what they do. They do it too. If they were you, you got it all before. Say nothing new. You're only here to win, get what they say. You're only here to win, get what they do. They do it too. If they were you, you got it all before. Say nothing new. Give it to me, yeah. No one's gonna show me how. Give it to me, yeah. No one's gonna stop me now. Give it to me.
Thank you very much, the cast of Underage. Of course, we have Lauren, we have AJ, Melissa, Matt, and Empress. Nandyan somewhere si Rafael, di ba? Okay, please invite everyone to watch dahil bukas na ang Underage.
Yan, iimbitahan po namin kayong lahat na sana panoorin nyo at supportahan nyo po ang Your Song Presents Underage right after ASAP 09. Yes, of course, this is directed by Direct Manny Palo. Sana po supportahan po natin yung bukas after ASAP 09.
Yes, and syempre kasama rin namin dito si Rafael Rosel, even though wala siya dito. And Miss Sylvia Sanchez, and with special participation of Mickey Berrios, and Valim Montenegro is also here.
Wow! All right, Lauren, everyone, thank you so much, Underage.
you.
Papanoorin namin yan lahat. We love it. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Underage. After ASAP, okay. At syempre, wag po kayong bibitiw dahil magbabalik pa ang programa nyo ang Wawali!